Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. I am so excited to show y'all my new toy that dear hubby got me. Y'all, we had to retire one of my canners and turn it into a water bather because it was just getting old. And dear hubby bought me this one to replace it. Y'all, it is an all-American canner, and one of the safer versions they've come out with, and I am going to walk y'all through this today with me, even through the testing process, and show you what I'm going to be doing, okay? I read my instruction manual to the T, and I'm going to be showing y'all what I'm doing. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to oil around your seal, okay? I took oil and I rubbed it around the metal seal, y'all. Then it tells you to add 2 to 3 inches of water, okay? So I measured, I'm getting my water in there, and I think I had to just, don't put your rack in there when you're measuring your water, because your rack is going to be raised up and you won't get an accurate measurement. So I took my rack out and I'm measuring my water. I even got me a ruler, y'all, because I want to do this right, so I had to add a little bit more, okay? So first you got to oil that metal seal around the top, because it's metal on metal. There's no rubber gasket in here, y'all. Put your water in there, measure it, then put your rack in, okay? Then what I'm going to do, y'all, your lid, when you put it on there, there's a little arrow, okay? And it's going to show you another arrow on the canner, and you are going to make sure you line those arrows up, okay? These have screw-on knobs for safety reasons, y'all, because some people's canners has blowed lids. And this is the reason why he wanted to get me this kind, is because it has those screw-on knobs to hold the lids on. And what you do is you go alternate knobs. Like, you're going to screw on the back and the front knobs at the same time. Then you're going to alternate the other knobs across from each other. You're going to screw those on, y'all, to make sure that your lid is level, okay? And you're going to do these 2 at a time, so that way they screw these down evenly all the way around the canner. Okay, I'm taking precaution to make sure they're screwed on tight, y'all, because I don't want to mess this up. I'm taking this through its first little test run that it tells you to do. The canner is empty. I'm just doing that first test run, y'all, that they tell you to do to check for things. Now I'm going around the lid to make sure I screwed it on there to where it's even. The lid's not sitting lopsided anywhere around it, because this test run is going to let you see if you've got it on there right, if you're leaking any steam, if you're leaking any water, or whatever. So I'm just going back and I'm testing all of the knobs to make sure the lid is on there perfectly. Okay? Then I'm going to turn on my eye, and we're going to get this to going. Okay, the eye's fixing to come on. We're going to get this to going, and I am going to wait for it to start pushing that pressure out, y'all, and I'm going to be watching for that steam to start coming out, and that's called venting. Y'all, I like this one because it comes with that old-timey bobbler, y'all, that I'm so used to anyway. So we're going to be waiting for that steam to come out, and we're going to vent for 10 minutes, and then we're going to pop the bobbler on, okay? So let's get that to going. All right, see, yeah, I'm testing it now. I'm touching it to see how fast it's pressing all the air out. Okay, so it's going to get ready to start steaming and venting. I'm checking to make sure no sound, no steam, no water's coming out. Okay, I'm going to test. Ooh, that's pushing it out there really fast, y'all. I'm going to wait for that steady flow of steam. Oh, see? Y'all see that little puff of steam coming out? Okay? I'm going to wait till I get a steady flow just like that. And then I'm going to let it vent for 10 minutes. Now it's vented for 10 minutes. Woo! Yeah, it's vented for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to put that bobbler on there and watch this to come up to 10 pounds pressure. Okay? Look at there. You want to don't start your timing until you start seeing it shaking and bobbling. Then start timing, okay? So that's what I'm doing here. All right, now we have let it cool off. Okay, we took it through the testing process. Then I turn around, y'all, and I put some jars of chicken broth in here that we were doing. Okay? So now I put the jars of chicken broth in there. I took it through the testing process. Let it come to a complete cool down, y'all. Unscrewed all the bands, took the lid off, put some jars of chicken broth in there. Now I loaded it back up, put the lid back on, and then we're going to go through the same process again and process some chicken broth. Okay, I used these jars of chicken broth just to do as a tester to make sure I was getting used to this canner. Okay, and y'all, I took it off the stove again, let it cool completely, let it depressurize. I unscrewed all the bands, took the lid off carefully, and y'all, look how this golden chicken broth turned out. So I got this for a gift for Christmas. I just now got around to using it. I ran it through the tester, ran my first batch of something through it just to play around, and this is how it turned out, and I'm comfortable, y'all. Y'all, if y'all are interested in getting one of these, it's going to be in my Amazon store, okay? And it turned out wonderful. Y'all, thanks for watching.